What's the meaning of custodial? Custodial. Custodial.
Custodial. Custodial. The term custodial refers to the act or responsibility of being a caretaker or custodian of something. This may include overseeing a facility or property, managing financial assets, or caring for individuals who are unable to care for themselves. Custodial responsibilities often involve ensuring safety and security, maintaining cleanliness and organization, and addressing any issues or concerns that arise. Overall, a custodial role involves taking on a sense of ownership and accountability for the well-being and maintenance of whatever is under one's care.